Hello, I'm Ravin Senanayaga, and in this video, we are going to discuss question set 27, discussing how to use the keyword count along with inner join. And let's get into it. On to the first question: what is the number of students studying in class 11A? So, to find the number, we use a select query, select, and then we use the count keyword, count, to obtain the number of students. I'm going to use index number from student table, inner joining it with class table on student dot class id and class dot class id, where the class name is 11A. And there you go. This query returns the number of students studying in class 11A, and let's go ahead and execute the query. There you go. The number of students studying in class A returns as 4 students. And on to the second question: find the number of students who scored between 40 and 90 marks in all subjects in first term examination. So select count, it says that we have to find the number of records, so I'm gonna use student index number for it. From student exam mark record table, where mark between 40 and 90. Find the number of students who scored between 40 and 90 marks in all subjects in the first term examination. Right. We have to inner join the term table as well. Inner join exam term on exam term id and student exam mark record table exam term id, where mark between 40 and 90 and exam term name is first term. And there you go. This is the query for the second question. Let's go ahead and execute it. And there you go. The count returns as 19, meaning 19 students scored between 40 and 90 in all subjects in the first term examination. On to the third question: what is the number of students appearing in the subject of science in the second term examination out of students studying in all classes in grade 11? So to find the number of students in subject of science in the second term, we have to inner join subject table as well on subject dot subject id student exam mark record dot subject id, where subject name equals to science and term name is second term. And there you go. This query returns the number of students appearing in the subject of science in the second term examination. Let's go ahead and execute the query. There you go. 8 students appeared in the subject of science in the second term. And on to the fourth question. Find the following details of 11A students who scored more than 60 marks in the mathematics in the second term examination. To find it, select admission number, meaning the index number, first name and the last name, and mark and date of examination. From student, inner joining it with student exam mark record table on student dot index number equals student exam mark record table dot student index number. Inner joining those two tables is the exam term table on exam term id student exam mark record dot exam term id. Inner join the class table as well on class id student dot class id, and then we write the condition where mark greater than 60 and you have to inner join the subject table as well. So subject one subject dot subject id student exam mark record table dot subject id, where mark is greater than 60 and subject name is mathematics and exam term name is second term. And there you go. This is the query for the fourth question. Let's go ahead and execute it. And there you go. This query returns the admission number, first name, last name, mark and date of examination of 11A class students who scored more than 60 marks in mathematics in the second term. And on to the fifth and last question. Find the number of students in class 11A who scored more than 60 marks in the science subject in the second term. Starting with select, count, student index number from student inner join student exam mark record table on student dot index number student exam mark record dot student index number inner join class on class dot class id student dot class id and in joining subject table on subject dot subject id student exam mark record table dot subject id and inner join exam term table on exam term dot term id student exam mark record table dot exam term id, and then we write the condition where class dot class name is 11A and mark is greater than 60 and subject name equals to science and exam term name is second term. And there you go. This query returns the number of students in class 11A who scored more than 60 marks in the science subject in the second term examination. Let's go ahead and execute the query to get the result. And there you go. The number came out as 3. And that brings the end for answering the question set 27. And let's meet again in the next video of discussing the question set 28. Thank you for watching.